Stock market is a reflection of the economy, a function of supply and demand. Indian economy is the third largest in the world in terms of purchasing power. Movements in the stock market can have a profound economic impact on the economy and on the individual investors. A crash in the stock market has the potential to cause widespread economic disruption. Investors globally and at the domestic level are looking forward to investing in the Indian stock market. The stock market always looks at the future. So, Chirag, could you please tell us what will be the future of the Indian stock market?
India is one of the great countries to live, to prosper, and to invest, because there is a demography, there is a development and diversity. There is no other country in the world which is having this four things together at the same time. Believe me, and I'm not making a sales speech. And why you are worrying about the market? From 81 to till date, 8 times market has given positive return, 2 times it has given negative return, right? So if you keep investing every year, there is 80% probability that you will make money. And for this, and last 10 years were the worst, 8.8% CAGR. It means that next 10 years are going to be very good. And for this 10 year, for the first 2.5 years, we already get some negative returns. So for next 8 years, there is very less chances of getting negative returns anymore, right? It means that now the probability of loss is lesser than you can make money. And I think you have to keep investing. Next 8 years or 10 years are going to be the best. We were the ninth biggest economy in 2010. At that time, nobody would have believed that we are going to be the 6th biggest economy by 2020. Today, we are the 6th biggest, and very soon we will become 5th biggest also. And when by 2030, it will become the third biggest economy after US and China. At that time, you should not be repent that in 2022, I have attended a seminar, I would have invested, I would have started my SIP to plan my passive income. So that is what I would like to conclude with. So India is the best country to invest. And I think do not rely on the God, or do not rely on the FII. I think they are relying on us more than what we relied on them. So that is what is my final message.
Thanks for your insightful answer. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.